If you want to know how to wash your hats without them getting bent, faded, or ruined, then keep watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to wash every style of hat, and they're going to come out perfectly clean. Before you start washing your hats, the first thing you want to do is to always check the tag to see what the hat is made out of, and that will determine how you can wash it. So these are both made out of polyester, which is perfectly fine for spot cleaning and soaking, as well as cotton. If it was made out of wool or some other special material, then you might not want to do it this way. So always check first. The first step is spot cleaning. All you will need is some warm water and some mild detergent, and take a soft toothbrush and just clean around the brim of your hat and inside where it can get all sweaty and nasty. If you have a lot of stains and it's really bad or even smelly, then go ahead and make a baking soda paste made out of just water and baking soda. Also, if it is really smelly, you can also use a little bit of a vinegar soak, and that will help get the smell out. After you've given them a good spot clean, then you will want to fill up your sink or a bucket or whatever you're going to wash them in with cold water and some of the mild detergent. Then fully submerge the hats in the cold soapy water. Don't crush them or anything because you want them to keep their shape. You are going to let them soak for 10 minutes, but you can do longer if your hats are really dirty. After they're done soaking, you want to make sure that you thoroughly rinse them off to get all of the soap off of the hat. When drying your hats, you never ever want to put them in the sun or the dryer. That can ruin them. Simply put them on a towel, but what is even better is place them on a bowl so it can keep the nice shape of the hat so your hats don't get ruined or look crushed. You just want to let your hats air dry so that the colors don't fade. That's how you safely wash your hats. No more ruined brims or faded colors. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning hacks, and leave me some comments below of what you would like me to clean next.